Alright, hi YouTube. I'm back with another video. A lot of people have asked if the neutral system switch doesn't work, what else is the problem? Well, I did fix, because we had the problem on this car as well. After we changed the neutral switch, we found out that it's the shifter that's right inside here. So what you need to do is, inside the center console, there's two screws that are right there, 10mm bolts. They come right out. Unscrew those. Come here to the shifter. You have to pry this up, and then take this off. And it's held by clips that are in here. Okay. Once it comes off, take it off the shifter. You have to disconnect this for your cigarette lighter. So do that. Pulls right out. Here we have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. That takes a Phillips screwdriver. And unscrew that. Once you unscrew that, you can pull up this whole console and move it forward. What we're trying to do is try to get to this clip that's right here. If you can see that, focus. But there's a clip that's right there. If you can see, there's a metal piece that's right there. I'm going to try to get to it. I might have to pause this and show you when I get it off. Okay, so once I got it off, the center console here has a plug. You're gonna have to unclip that. That clips to here, and then it gets kind of snagged right here. But what we're trying to get to is this. This is a shifter that connects, the cable goes straight to your neutral safety system. Now here there's a plastic clip that usually is clipped on here, that usually cracks, falls off. So what I did was I went to Home Depot and I got me a 3/8 E clamp right here, E clip. Just take this, slip it in, clip it in, but you might have to take a piece of pliers and squeeze these two ends to make them just a little bit tighter. And then once it's tight, slip it in, clip it in. This has been here probably maybe about a year or so, and it still hasn't come off because there's a little groove that's in here on this metal piece that will keep this from coming off. And then that's another fix if your car doesn't shift. Yeah, so sometimes this clip breaks off, so every time you push it in park, it's not going to engage the parking or put it into drive. So that's another quick fix you can do, and this cost me about 75 cents at Home Depot. Alright, hopefully this helps. Hopefully you guys can see that video. Hope it comes out clear, and yeah, good luck. Then the process of reversing it, just put everything back, clip everything in, screw everything down, and you should be good to go. Alright, thank you. Hope this helps.